In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your account statement on Trading 212, whether you're keeping track of your investments or simply trying to get a clear picture of your financial activity. Accessing your account statement is a crucial step. We will walk through this process to ensure you can review deposits, withdrawals, trades, and dividends with ease. Let's get started by opening the Trading 212 app. Once you have it up on your screen, you'll need to log in. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you have access to your account dashboard. This is where you manage all your investments and access key financial information. Once logged in, direct your attention to the bottom navigation bar and find the pie icon. Clicking this icon will take you to the portfolio section of your account. The pie chart is a handy visual tool that displays the distribution of your investments, giving you an instant overview of how your assets are allocated. Next, you'll want to decide which specific investments account statement you wish to view. Scroll through your investments until you locate the one you're interested in examining. Remember, staying organized and understanding the performance of individual investments is essential for effective portfolio management. After selecting your desired investment, look for the three dots located on the right side of the screen. These three dots are your gateway to a range of additional options related to that particular investment. When you click on them, a menu will appear with various choices. From this menu, select Export as CSV. The CSV format is a common and versatile file type that's compatible with many data processing tools like Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Exporting your statement as a CSV file allows you to analyze your financial activity in more detail or even store it for future reference. Now that you have the CSV file, open it in your preferred spreadsheet application. Here, you will find all the detailed information you need, from deposits and withdrawals to trades and any dividends received. Take your time reviewing these details. It's a great opportunity to ensure everything aligns with your financial records and to make informed decisions based on current data. This brings us to the end of our process. By following these steps, you've now successfully accessed and reviewed your account statement on Trading 212. This routine check helps maintain transparency over your investments and empowers you to manage your financial goals more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy investing.